Looking to maximize your savings this month? Here are the top 3 highest APY savings accounts available right now in April 2026. It's time to level up your finances with straightforward talk and no jargon, just real strategies to grow your wealth. Before we dive in, let's look at the landscape. While many banks offer pennies, these top picks significantly outpace the national average. In fact, the current FDIC national average is just 0.39%. The accounts we're covering today are in a different league entirely. High-yield savings aren't just about safety. They're about making your money work for you through the power of compounding. Coming in at number 1 is Varo Money, offering the highest rate currently on the market. They are currently offering up to a staggering 5.00% APY. It's the highest rate available this April. However, that top rate does come with some fine print. You'll need to meet specific conditions, primarily centered around direct deposits. It's also important to note that the 5% rate only applies to balances up to $5,000, perfect for an emergency fund. For those with smaller balances who can automate their savings, Varo is a powerhouse choice for 2026. Next up at number 2 is Axos Bank, a veteran in the online banking space. Axos is offering up to 4.21% APY through their specialized Axos One bundle. To unlock this rate, you'll need to manage both a checking and savings account within that bundle. The best part? That 4.21% rate applies to balances all the way up to nearly $500,000. If you don't meet the requirements, the rate drops to a base of 1%, so keep an eye on those bundle rules. For high-balance savers who don't mind a little extra account management, Axos is incredibly competitive. Finally, at number 3, we have Newtek Bank, which has seen explosive growth recently. Newtek's personal high-yield savings earns 4.20% APY with no minimum to open and 0 monthly fees. However, they've been so popular that they've actually had to pause new applications due to overwhelming demand. If you're interested, you'll need to join their waitlist. It's a patience is a virtue situation, but the rate is worth the wait. Unlike the others, Newtek is known for its simplicity. Straightforward rates without the hurdle of complex conditions. Whether you want the highest rate, high balance caps, or simple terms, there's an option here for everyone. We also have to talk about the broader economy. Remember, the Fed cut rates 3 times in late 2025. Because of those cuts, we expect rates to drift lower as we move through the rest of 2026. This means that locking in a high rate now, while these numbers are still above 4%, is a very smart move. When choosing, consider your typical balance and whether you can commit to things like direct deposits. And don't forget, you can always spread your savings across multiple institutions to hedge your bets. Stay smart with your money, and we'll see you in the next financial update. Happy saving!